Good morning. Today I am going to show you TheraBand workout. We are doing full body workout, and this is a TheraBand. You can use a mini band instead of this. I have tied a knot. See, you can tie a knot to this band, and you can use this for legs workout. Okay, so now you can do each exercise for 3 times. Like you can do 3 sets of each exercise, and one set is for 10 to 15 or 20 repetitions. Okay, now we'll start with workout. First, do warm up, joint rotations. Warm up for 8 to 10 minutes. After that you can start a workout, and after workout you can do a cool down or stretches to relax your body. Okay, so I have made a video of warm up, so you can see that video for warm up. Now we are starting with exercises. First we'll do squats. Okay, you can put or you can use mini band, or you can tie a knot to TheraBand and do the squats. See, now squats. 1, these are for front thighs and hips, quadriceps muscles and hips. Okay, like this. Okay, keep your spine neutral, push your hips behind and sit like you sit on a chair. Okay, your knee should not cross your toes. Push your hips behind and sit. Okay, you can do 2 to 3 sets of each exercise. Now one more set, squats. I am showing you 2 sets of each exercise. You can do 10 to 20 repetitions depending upon your strength and stamina. Okay, now other exercise is chest press with TheraBand. See, TheraBand is very effective than dumbbells or machines. Like if you don't have any dumbbells, you can use this, or you can carry this band anywhere. So it's very good. Now chest, shoulder and triceps. Chest press. This works on your chest, shoulder, triceps. Keep your shoulder and elbows at one level. Don't do this or do this. At one level. Okay. And push. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your spine neutral. 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a rest for 30 to 60 seconds. Then one more set. You can do 2 to 3 sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, you can increase your resistance by holding down, by making a TheraBand short, or you can decrease your resistance depending upon your strength. This is a light and this is heavy. Okay, so you can hold here or you can hold here. This is a medium band. You can take light, medium or heavy depending upon your strength. Okay, beginners should start with light TheraBand. Okay, there are levels. Now seated row. Okay, this is for upper back and biceps. See, keep your back straight, elbows close to your body and pull. Knees slightly bent. Breathe out while pulling. Elbows behind. Squeeze your shoulder blades. This is for upper back and biceps. Okay. 10 to 15 counts. You can do 2 to 3 sets. or 10 to 20 counts. Now second set. Upper back, squeeze your shoulder blades. Don't lift your shoulders, always settle down and pull your elbow behind. Okay. Now let's again use mini band or TheraBand. Tie a knot. Keep it here. And this is a out. This is a abductors. Okay. Lift your leg up. Abductors. Outer thighs. It works on your outer thighs. Okay. Outer thighs and hips. Now other side. Keep your body in one line. Okay. You can do 2 to 3 sets. Now adductors, inner thighs. Lie down on your back. Lift your hips up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Okay. Now upper body. Now shoulders. This is for middle deltoid. Shoulders. Upright row. Okay. Keep one leg. Keep one leg. अगर दोनों पैर रखोगे तो it will be heavy to lift. So keep one leg. If you want to increase the resistance, keep both the legs, or you can hold it downwards so that it will increase your resistance. Okay, one upright row. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a rest 30 to 60 seconds. Again start with second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now upper back. Again trapezius muscle or upper back. You can hold it here and pull. 1 without bending your elbow. 2, 3. Okay. If it's heavy, then hold it outward. 4. Okay. 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8. This works on your upper back and biceps. Okay, now wide squats. You can do 2 to 3 sets of each exercises. Okay. Now wide squats. Spread your legs, open your toe. Okay, and down. Slightly, hips slightly behind. 2. Okay. 3, 4. Keep your knees soft. 5, 6. Spine neutral. Hold your abs tight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Then rest for 30 to 60 seconds. One more set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These are some full body TheraBand exercises. In next session, I will show you different TheraBand exercises. So now after your this workout, you have to do stretches. Stretches are compulsory. cool down, to relax your body and to avoid injuries and soreness. So you can do stretching. So if you want to know about stretching, you can see my previous video which is on cool down and stretching. Okay, thank you.